Here we are. Nice view of the roof. Table, bed, aircon. Safe. Bathroom. Looks pretty nice. So as you can tell, I just got here in Kona. The hotel they had, mine wasn't available, but then I found a room that was available, so that was good because it's only like 12:12 and check-in is until 3, so that was really good. I mean, the view could be better, but I'm not here for the view. So anyway, I'm on the second floor, and I got a nice thing of macadamia chocolates when I arrived, so that was pretty good. Let me show you. Check this out. Heck yeah. Yum. So that was a nice little gift. Now I'm just chilling. The shuttle was there when I got to Kona Airport. That guy, I think he was intending to be friendly, but he came off a little bit creepy. Kept talking about my body, and he was like, "You're so in shape," and I wish I was in shape. And I'm like, haha. I'm sure he's just trying to be friendly, but I was like, Anyway, I just got a map of the hotel, so I'll probably just go out and about and do some exploring and stuff, get a coffee, because that's what Kona is known for. The place looks huge, by the way, so that's pretty crazy, but they've got a like lunch place here, so I might just go and check that out and see what I end up doing today. And I'm a bit tired, but because I got up quite early this morning, and the flight was good. I had nobody next to me, which I was so happy about. Yes, living the dream. And the leg room was great. Got to see the other islands. It was a really quick flight, actually. It felt so quick. Felt like you go up and then you just back down again. And yeah, so I need to go get me a coffee, a Kona coffee, when in Kona. But yeah, and probably charge some things as well. Maybe have a bit of a break and then just go out and explore, see what's around the area. Welcome to the big island. So stop 2 was Ulani's Shave Ice, which was also at the hotel that I was staying at, which is King Kamehameha's Kona Beach Hotel. So that's right next to the cafe that I was just at, and also the pool. So I went with it was called The Best, and I believe it was mango and coconut. I also added vanilla macadamia nut ice cream to my shave ice, and you can hear them asking if I like coconut. Once I realized they were talking to me, I said yes, and they put this delicious coconut syrup on top, and it was absolutely amazing, and they didn't charge me for that either. And what I really liked about their tables is they had these really cool holes in the tables so you could actually put your shave ice bowl. That was awesome. I noticed on the Big Island a lot of the shave ice places had that. I didn't actually see any on Oahu, but I definitely recommend going to this place. The service was really good, the price was really good. You also get a discount if you're staying at the hotel, and it was probably the best shave ice I had. I have to say, it was absolutely delicious, and especially because it was so hot and humid outside. So this area is Ali'i Drive, which is basically the main strip of Kona itself. Be careful in this area because I called it the splash zone, because the waves go up against the wall and they do go over the wall onto the path.
So just be careful there. I saw a couple of people get caught out. You have to time it pretty well. But basically this main strip has a lot of cafes, restaurants, little knick-knack places, souvenir places, places trying to sell you tours, and a whole bunch of different places. So it's really interesting to look at, and there's also quite a few ABC stores along the strip as well. But it's very touristy, but it's also very cute and still very small towny and lots of aloha vibe. So it's definitely still a good idea to check out. So for dinner I went to Hono's on the beach, which was also at the hotel located next to the beautiful bay on the pier. So I had the local Hawaiian pizza, which was Maui pineapple, ham and mozzarella, and also a glass of rosé. And it was really nice actually. The pizza was really filling, the rosé was really nice, the location was absolutely beautiful. I was so lucky that I actually got a seat right next to the water. So that was beautiful, lots of rainbows out, and it wasn't too busy the time that I went, so it was perfect. So after dinner I went to San Francisco Coffee Bar, and that was really nice. They do really awesome coffee, 3D coffee art, and the price was really good, and they stay open until 9 p.m, which is awesome, and the coffee was really good and the service was really good, so definitely recommend checking this coffee spot out as well.
So as you would have seen, that was my first day in Kailua Kona. So basically when I arrived, I went to the coffee shop at my hotel, met the owner, and she's absolutely lovely. They have 100% cone coffee, which is awesome because that's what I was after, and absolutely delicious coffee. You can definitely taste the difference between, excuse me, the Kona coffee and the other sorts of coffee. It's almost smoother and it has a really distinct flavour to it, and it actually kind of reminds me of Australian coffee. But yeah, so that was delicious. And then after that, because hotel also has a shave ice place, so I went there and had it was actually called The Best. Like that's the name of that flavor combination. I can see why. It's also the most popular, and it was also delicious. I actually think it was better than Matsumoto's in Haleiwa in Oahu. So you debate that one, but honestly it was mango, passion fruit or lilikoi, and coconut, and then you could add ice cream if you wanted to, which I did, and they had quite a few different flavors of ice cream. So I went with vanilla macadamia nut. It actually had real macadamias in it as well, so that was really good. And then they were like, do you like coconut? And I was like, yeah. And so they're like, okay, well, do you want some coconut cream on top of it? And I was like, sure, why not? And so they didn't charge me for that. They just put the coconut cream on top. Delicious. Also on top in that they had like custom tables. Those holes are actually where you put your little shave ice bowl in it, so that was really cute. And then after that I just walked through the town, had to look to see what was around the area, so lots of little shops and things like that. And then I just walked back to my hotel because I was quite tired, had a bit of a nap, and then I went out to dinner to one of the restaurants actually also at the hotel. So that was beautiful, and there was a whole bunch, there was like 3 different rainbows in like the one section, so that was really cool. I actually had a Hawaiian pizza but it was like a local style Hawaiian pizza with all locally sourced items, and a glass of rosé as well, because I was like, why not? And yes, that was a beautiful spot. And there was like this crowd in the water, and we're like, what the heck's going on? And apparently there was a baptism happening in the, like, because the hotel has like a private beach, so there was just like a little baptism happening, and we're like, okay then. So after that I just walked around a bit more, and then I went to, I think it's called San Francisco Bay Coffee or something like that, and I just had another coffee, so that was really good. And that was actually 3D art, I think, on my cappuccinos. That was really nice. Just chilled there for a bit and then walked back to the hotel where I am now, and it's like just about 8:30. Just got the TV going in the background. I'm not sure what's actually playing. It seems to be good, but I don't know what TV show it is. So anyway, I had one of my chocolate covered macadamia nuts as well, so that was delicious. Oh, that's right, I also stopped in at the ABC store and bought some more gifts for people, so that's awesome too. And yeah, so I'm just gonna have an early night because I'm doing the Hawaii, I think it's like a full day island in a day type tour, and that goes to Volcano National Park as well, which I'm really looking forward to. So that's very exciting. So I get picked up at I think it's 8 AM. So I just want to have an early night because I'm really tired as well. Flight was great. I love the fact that I had nobody next to me. That was awesome. And I had to pay $25 US for my checked bag, but apparently I should have told them that I'd flown Hawaiian all the way because it would have been free. So we'll see next time. Also, Kona Airport is really cool because it's just an open air airport, which is really different. So yeah, and I'm gonna finish up here because I'm just gonna have a shower or something and get ready to go to bed, because it feels like it's been a long day because I've been up since 10 to 6 in the morning. So yeah, anyway, that's what's happening tomorrow. So it should be another exciting day. I'm just currently chilling on the lounge in my room because I don't think I've had a room that has a lounge, so this is really nice. I can just sit here and a proper table and chairs, so that's really nice. Anyway, tomorrow will be an exciting day, so see you then.